Hello everybody. Let us see what is so special about the Tamil New Year. Tamil people celebrate Puttandu, also called as Pulu Varsham, as the traditional Tamil New Year. This is the month of Chitrai, the first month of the Tamil solar calendar. Puttandu typically falls on the 14th April, and in many southern parts of Tamil Nadu, it's also celebrated as Chitrai Vishu. Now, on the eve of Puttandu, a tray filled with three fruits, mango, banana and jackfruit, arranged along with the betel nuts, areca nuts, silver and gold and silver jewelries, coins, currencies, flowers and a mirror. Now this is it is considered to be auspicious when on the morning very early we get up and view these items through the mirror. Home entrances are elaborately decorated with colored rice powder. These designs are called columns. Also on the top of the entrance there is a bunch of mango leaves which are tied, called as a toran. Now on the day of the New Year itself, there is a very important puja which is done called as the Panchangam Puja. Now some people also do the Navagraha Puja and offer prayers to Lord Ganesha. Now in the Panchangam Puja, the latest Panchangam is placed in front of the deity in the puja room. The Panchangam is then anointed, or it is applied with the sandal paste, chandan, kumkum as well as the turmeric paste. Also some flowers are put on it. Then there is a small puja and aarti done. After this, everybody wishes their friends and neighbors as Puttandu article, that is the New Year wishes. And it's after this that the Panchangam reading is done to know about the predictions of the New Year, of the coming year. And typically after this we have the food, the serving of the food for the day. Now typically there is a very elaborate arrangement of food done. We have firstly the Vepambu Pachadi, which is called as the neem, which is made out of neem flour, sweet jaggery, tamarind as well as a bit of mango, raw mango, and this is taken on first on the empty stomach. Then we have a menu of vegetables. These are the typical items made out of vegetables, and most importantly green bananas and jackfruits are a big must in the food items. There is a very important special preparation called as the Mangai Pachadi, which is made out of the raw sour mangoes. We have the bitter neem, the astringent mustard, red chilies, and the sweet jaggery. And here this is a typical preparation which reminds many of the different flavors of experiences one will see in the new year. That means we are going to experience different types of flavors. It's not necessarily to do with sweet or only sour, but it will be a mixed experience. Also, this experience will be transitory or ephemeral in nature. So that's the beauty of the message which is given through this Mangai Pachadi. Apart from this, we also have the Neermor or the spiced buttermilk. We also have the Panagam, which is basically a cool drink made out of sweet jaggery mixed with water and with a dash of cardamom powder. And then we have a whole lot of different varieties of vadas. We also have the kosambari salad, which is made out of a split of moong dal, and then we have variety of paisams as well, and then the sweet poli, which is basically a flour, a mix of flour which is stuffed with the split chickpeas, jaggery and coconut. So this is the elaborate menu we have in the Tamil New Year, and with the beautiful message which I said mentioned about the different flavors which is there in the food, typically in the Mangai Pachdi, and which we experience throughout the year. That's it. Thank you so much.